Okay, so when you first walk in, there's a sign that says please remove your shoes. So when you come in, make sure to remove your shoes. And to the right here is the kitchen. They did leave us a nice little box of milk chocolate macadamia nuts. So of course I'll be eating those, along with 2 dish towels and a roll of paper towels. And then we have a full-size refrigerator here with freezer and a nice stove if we want to cook anything. There's a toaster, a tea kettle, spatula and those kind of things. There's a Cuisinart coffee maker, looks fairly new, with a Bosch microwave, so very nice. I'll check the cupboards a little bit later. So we just got here and we want to relax. And then over here we do have a full-size dishwasher and some cupboards and a nice sink and number 6 dishwash and a nice set with scissors and a few seasonings over here, and then nice pendant lights here with a nice mirror here. And then we walk in to a nice dining room set and a very nice living room. We have a nice couch with 2 pillows, and I believe you can pull that out to a bed, and a nice coffee table with some nice coral and starfish right up my alley. It looks very patio-like in here and has 2 little chairs that are very cushioned to sit in, and nice color, blue. That was one of the reasons why I picked this unit, because I liked the blue. I did ask if they could give us a flower lay, but I don't see that anywhere, so I guess we didn't get that. That's okay though. We have a nice balcony out here. I will show you that soon. So gotta figure out how to open that. Okay, and this is our balcony. This is our first morning here, and I just wanted to show you the balcony. Nice table, nice little lounger. I'll turn around so you can see a little better without the glare of the sun. Okay, and that's our balcony. It's a decent size for 2 people. And then if you come out here, you can see the ocean, but gotta look through those palm trees. And then I'm gonna swing around here and show you our unit. Okay, then we come around to the left, and there is the master bedroom right here to the left. And sorry, that was my husband slamming the toilet seat. And then we have a nice little slipper chair here, dark blue, nice coastal colors. And then there's a nice door out to the balcony from the bedroom, which will be nice. And then the nightstand here, and that's a nice bed with nice pillows. They decorated this unit very nicely. I love all the coastal decorations, how they decorated, very nicely done. We rented this unit from the Gather Vacations. Highly recommend them. And then let me just take a walk here. There is a doorway here to get into the bedroom and straight ahead into the bathroom. And if you go right, you'll be right up to the dining room again. Then we back up. And if you go to the left, there's a closet here. I'm not sure if that's open or not. We'll check that out. Usually that's the owner of the properties of this unit and has other stuff in there. So I'm not sure if we can use that closet or not, but I'll check that out in a second. And here is a very beautiful bathroom with 2 double sinks. So that'll be nice. David can have the left side and I'll have the right side. They give us a nice little makeup washcloth to use while we're here. And there's 2 nice washcloths and a Kleenex along with number 4 hand wash from Toto Valley. I've never heard of that brand, but we could try it out. And there's the toilet right here. Beautiful stand-up shower here. I am not a realtor, so I don't know what any of this stuff is called. There is another video from the company that they put out on YouTube, so you can check their video. I'm just doing the video, so if other people want to see what it's like for a person to stay in this unit. So it's just me and my husband staying in this unit. But I thought this unit was really nice compared to some of the other ones that I was looking at. So there's a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And they do have a nice squeegee that right there. So we could squeegee the glass so it won't be all spotty. So that'll be nice. So that's a nice shower with a nice glass door. Fairly clean. And then a nice bathtub to soak in, which that would be nice if you decide to take a nice bath. And then another view from the bathroom out to the bedroom. And then back out this way is our living room and dining room. There's the kitchen. All right, and then let me see. I believe in this closet here is all the beach accessories. Yes. So in this closet there is a wagon. Looks like there are several chairs, an umbrella, pool noodles, all sorts of bags, so that would be nice. Looks like some cleaning stuff, some toys for kids to play with. And those look like beach mats. And I'm not sure what that is, but you can check that out. So yeah, so closet full of beach accessories, so that'll be nice. If we decide to go to the beach. Oops, and then let me see, I believe, and this closet, oops, sorry, is the washer and dryer, which is a Bosch washer and dryer. For those of you into what kind of appliances that they use here. And it does come with some Tide and some bounce dryer sheets. There is a bucket, so if we do get the floor dirty, we could always mop it. And looks like there is a steamer and an iron. Not sure what's over there. And then a broom and stuff right here. So there you have it. Room 206 in the Kaanapali Tower here at the Honua Kai. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching my video. Aloha. Okay, and this is a second bedroom, so if you have somebody coming with you, they can stay in this bedroom. It has a very pretty bedspread here with a very pretty color pillow and 2 table lamps. They have very relaxing music playing. And there's a closet. There's a sea turtle and a little dresser right there.